Okay? There is no way. Say Kufuado or no one can sacrane budget. Or better say me president, sika me pese me dini debi. Na tade a washe. Na duane a wodie. Na mpabo obehye. Ye de ko parliament ko approve NDC for NPP for ni naji to me say yo yemfa say ska we manan sana president enyeska. Na omo no ya no mo wire fi. Ya papa Mahama ebra no wo bobosia His Excellency Mahama o bobosia e ko kan no. O se na mo ma bobo da mo ana. Sikane yeje de monko parliament. If you want to know what we have done with the money, go to parliament. And that year, NDC for say yenko parliament yo. E duru yan ye bisa o mo say sikana amanya no mo de aye den no. O mo ka kire yen say sebe sikano e ye loan na o mo je. Inti say ye pa yenko how do you call it parliament anameboa yenko parliament na ho e na yi wo. But ene Mr. Mahama ene ne nkrofo etumi ba be catch and say Ekufado this kind of the aye then you really free say every month be Ekufado say 7 billion Ghana cedis on NAPCO alone every month. NAPCO for no more my 700 and I'm a 700 minimum say na saying e kan kakra ka echira na aban dem oka but yen fanto ya NAPCO for almost 5 years now. And every month be no. Okay, every month biano we pay them total just NAPCO keke school fee de no one buy make NAPCO keke NAPCO nkoano or my Ghana it ya 7 billion Ghana cedis every month because you can see about 100,000 meboa 100,000 you see between almost 700 a month 700 a month in the mass na 7 billion Ghana cedis every month. There are what 12 months in a year. We have done it for 5 years to 6 years now. Into the year, 5 times 7, Debbie, 5, 7 billion. So 60 months. Let's say it's a 60 months. Just take 60 months, keke. Now the fact times 7 billion. Na catch them say can Kufuado ye den kura no nya say can the tuan crofo no. And no your side you. Your friend crofo be so nurses and teachers training allowance. Now omo 7 year me ya because omo ye 3 more than 4. Omo ne Kufuado ndi ne ye. A nurse for training. Ya papa Kufuado tries obey ambulance commission. Ejurigui. Ya no ba ya ne yese ya kokra ambulance ya den abre Ghana for. Na Ghana for tio ambulance na nka wo be use no na obi atumi akofesi ke pituri die sei e de akoto Toyota Haze ni Hyundai Grace say no e na ye sebe ambulance e no so kura mo ba ya mo antumi amana ni operation amani kogu be ma camp last na me ka san kono mo betumi a sa cars no mo nsiesie na mo fama various department no mo because e ya bansika e be gu ase aprokwa so at as e gu also no na e say even those NDC for omo afumatwa but yeso yan yeden yeso yan fumon say omo no makoye nti yamma mo Ghana ka e Ghana sika
court to be ma order because omo prosecute
on charge say court case ni we
court to ma order and some bet in omo saka
and it's a court we are
yes bet don't know saka pe okay prosecute them
okay so that's why it's there on
touch
okay if that is the case that is fine but mama let's learn and then mama yinsu ade kakra bi wa. Okay, now I know political zone. I promise you guys I can make live video in Ghana, but I got to do it because and the joy for every catro. Now me beti omoto. Now me ti omoto me say me cycle wa dwene na hu ne say NPP ni NDC ko. Dia obre no eye yenya aye to aba no. E na wo yi MP a MP ni na adwuma Ghana de ne de ye say onko hye mmra nti na friend mmra hye bedwam. E na your system of government in Ghana no so no yesterday your executive, legislature, judiciary. Now, if the way are MP for no, dying. The president, he has executive powers, but anything that has to do with passing of loan, sikasem, he has no power. It has to go through parliament because parliament, and a Ghana phone in higher represented. The NDC ni, the NPP ni, their own joint party, the own BBR. And you see, and it's so ironic, say, we worship them. One more omodada no, we rather worship them. What to about my MP because ose mo area no cheap company na yebe ma no empenni ho. Into we expect sanka health ministry for able to make empower. President per se oye omo kan say the president has an agenda say opeso see hospitals. But sika odibesi no say one found co parliament. This is Cynthia Pacho me ho ye pa we have to talk after we me here. Say but say yan found co parliament ya. Ekufuado ontumi mfo no ani tumi enkoye na mama mema mo example de bia me ka say ye be kira de na etoda na ya na ye bufu na me de fire no ene Ekufuado ende ne ye because musika na mudisua ade sister usika na wudisua ade no papa bi beje ka kire o say obetwam na se no kurenti na obelusu election a on lose election me boa wanka na otwa sa allowance ne mu ade a na ebua sebe yen hiafo yi ayen de ye papa yi ene ye maame no mu ni bi kakra yeso ye betumi de atotototo ye pons ne ye pad ne ye ne amane aman kakra kakra no na aban bi aba se ogie afiri nsem ogie no wie ya afekura de ye say sa they are now going to do a loan system. Na mencha odi entia ye papa mahama ne na ban omo choose so omo twa bibia mo ye in loan system no. Number one, loan, you have to qualify for loan. Ontina hwa ne abre loan keke kufu onko an otumi ye magic ya utifie na bank atwero se beda be disika ko ye business. But loan is something you qualify for. We a student. Bear in mind, you are a student. Sika no kra wudi tua fees no ni bi. Oni record e kire se o credit. Na ya ka kire se kona ko yeden, kona ko gi loan na faco school. Osi wetwam oye no loan system. Na sa time no hwawre hu se ma wo mu. We ye bebu no afi na wuko school nwie kura na waka say we ye adwuma. Na ye rate, your policy rate at the banking. Honorable, it was 33, 32. The lowest you get was 27%. Now who is student here? Na so ko je 1,000 Ghana. Na say 1,000 Ghana na you catch so be 27% of 1,000 Ghana na. 270 Ghana out of the 1,000 Ghana na. How are you going to survive? Usika na ka he. Usika na nka wo de ko bo bra na ka he. Napkofo we are make come asemi no enye se no mu ni ho omo koye papa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ho e ma ne ka kire omo se sebe kana fo mu duebo na me meti we menye magician menye nkonya menye David Copperfield na me disika ahye mu botom e no san di mo graduate na temu se mo amoko KNUST mo amoko KNUST the patch student loan there is interest on it. Mahama student loan and all the banner, there's interest on it, but let me stick to what I'm doing and then try to finish it. When you have a trend going on, now ubia go through the same trend. Ubetumia pause kakra geji na hwede omo de brɛ. Now let me tell you something. NAPCO trainees were insulted, say KNUST